Hi, I want to say good evening and welcome to Creating Your Own University. The topic is, why are so many individuals creating their own universities? First of all, it's because we're in the 21st century and the opportunity is being made more at hand's reach, and also we have individuals that's willing to come and teach you how to build a successful university so that you may be able to see results. Now, in the not only the urban communities, we also have it in the suburbs where individuals live, where a certain information, which is financial increase, financial studies that would be for our youth, also to have successful teaching individuals how to govern their own home so that they can first be the light in their home, and then from the light in their home they can branch out into the community and branch out into the schools. We don't want to be all over the place as far as trying to get in order. So the universities, I'm excited about each individual that's coming in to create universities through our platform, because they are coming to get the houses in order, to get the communities in order, and also to help you build a financial increase that brings in reoccurring income. We know that individuals are experts in their field. We know we have a lot of individuals that have knowledge, and with having knowledge, we need to have the finances to be able to create these platforms. Well, with that being said, I have partnered with my partners, and we decided to bring to you a platform that's very affordable, which you normally pay $5,000 for, or even more, way more than $5,000. You're paying only starting at $997 for the regular package. That's the standard package. You're paying $1,200 for the upgraded package and $1,400 for the fully loaded package. And so you want to know how can you get started? Well, our platform, we help individuals by having in-house financing. Now, with me telling you about in-house financing, that's not meaning that we're more lenient than banks that give you loans. What we're saying is that we're willing to get you started with a down payment. Now, first, my assignment is to empower ministries, schools, and businesses with software and materials for the 21st century, so that we can storm into the 21st century seeing results not only in ourselves, but in our youth, in our communities, and it's spread throughout the countries. Next, I want to talk about CEO Mama, that is Brandy Adamson, and her job is to come and help you. Once you join a platform, she helps you get your accreditation. This is a process that happens because in the process of getting your accreditation, you have to make sure that your validation in which schools, universities, and institutes of higher learning are evaluated. This is what Miss Brandy Addison's help you with. Now, the partners I have been in business and also in their field expertise for 15 to 25 years, so I'm very excited. Next, I want to explain to you about Coach Shoshina Gibbs, who is a membership trainer. She has Real Sisters Rising in New York. And with that being said, she helps individuals, training them with key steps to getting started, growing your own community, building a thriving network. Now, if you're going to have a university, first you need to know how to engage with your students, engage with your potential clients. This is the training that you will get from Coach Shoshina Gibbs. Next, I want to talk about Miss Diane Copeland. Now, Miss Diane Copeland is actually an instructor that helps you with healing and meditation. With this healing and meditation process, I want you to know that she teaches beginners basic herbal preparation on courses for stress relief, to have more peace, be happier, and content. So you say, well, what does this have to do with me creating my own platform? Well, with you creating your own platform, what you creating your own platform, what this have to do with creating your own platform is you don't want to get into the business of carrying a lot of individuals without meditating before that. This is for different reasons. This is to make sure that you stay healthy, you don't get stressed out, and to make sure that you can cope with individuals that's stressed out, that's trying to get their university done, might run into a couple of areas in their life, obstacles or whatever it may be. You need to be able to stay calm and also help them in that area of staying calm, give them a meditational session, or just introduce them to the information that you have from Miss Copeland. Next, we want to talk about Deborah Cumberbatch. Now, Miss Deborah Cumberbatch is a very vital person in this because she is the editor on all of our university ebooks, books, whatever it may be. She's the editorial service that will help you make sure that the written works that you're putting out into the world is going out into the world the correct way. So we have Miss Deborah Cumberbatch, we have Miss Deanna Copeland, we have Miss Coach Shashina Gibbs, and we have Miss Brandy Adamson. You also have me, Dr. Serena Washington, who's going to help you step by step with getting connected to each individual and publishing the correct kind of university. Now, next I want to talk to you a little bit about creating steps to success. A lot of individuals want to be successful, but they don't want to put in the work to become successful. Everybody think it's just a process where you get up, you look at what somebody else doing, and you decide that you want to do it. Well, that's definitely not what's going on. What's happening here is that we're finding your uniqueness and making sure that you are able to produce a platform of your expertise that you can teach in at that time. Like the expertise that I'm teaching in is software. I've been putting together software for a while. I've been putting together campaign because I'm a campaign consultant. So I've been putting together campaigns for my clients. Now with my package, I just give something brief, just so you can understand what a campaign consultant is. I put together your project from start to finish, and I also help you insert software into your university or into whatever project that you're deciding to do so that you will see results before, in the middle, and after. Now, this is meaning email marketing software, webinar software, websites, and everything that I'm telling you about has no reoccurring fees. It's a one-time payment. You own it for a lifetime. That's what I'm excited about. You also have your material as far as ebooks, as far as printing your book. And this book will be just something general, inspirational that you want to do. Now, Miss Brandy Addison will help you to print your workbooks for your accreditation because you will be going through Miss Brandy Addison to get your accreditation. So that's a process you guys will work on. Next, I want to talk about how are you going to decide to create your university. We have 3 ways. The first way is solo, where you can create your university, your logo, do the paperwork, put it all together, have input from each individual that you're working with us. Next, you can do it as a group. Say, for instance, you have a networking group. You have a group of consulting, a group of coaches, a group of pastors that decide to get together and do a university, and each person put their course on the university. Now, the solo is great. I love the idea of being solo because you can hire instructors. But if you want to build a group platform and you want to have individuals that's coming on your platform have a course and also have their course getting accredited at the same time, this is something that'll be very useful because each project that I'm telling you about, whether it be solo or group, or whether it be you coming on the platform with us, you still have to have your courses accredited. The reason why is because we're going to teach you how, and it's going to be Miss Brandy Addison is going to teach you how to get funded. The whole objective of this creating this platform is to teach you how to receive funding so that you can have more individuals coming in that need this and need to come into self-sufficiency and self-independence. Next, I want to talk about the last option. The last option is you can pick either one of our platforms to come on, and you can pay a one-time fee or a monthly fee to come on, and also a set price to come out of each course that you sell to be positioned on our platform as an instructor. Now, this is very important. We're giving opportunities to certain individuals, and yes, you have to go through an interview process to make sure that you fit our platform, because remember, I'm teaching about governing your own home with the spiritual aspect. Ms. Brandy Addison is teaching about business, nonprofit organizations. Coach Shoshina is teaching about membership building and entrepreneurship for the youth on up. And Ms. Dion Copeland is teaching how to prepare yourself with herbal substance, and also to prepare yourself in the time of emergencies. So, and Ms. Deborah Cumberbatch is teaching on inspirational and destiny building, which, and another very important part is speaking life into you as you do your projects. You're going to need someone inspirational. You're going to need someone speaking into you. You're going to need someone believing in you. So everyone that you see on this platform has been in business for 15 to 25 years and been doing this for a while. I'm excited about it. This is the reason you should be creating your own university. This is the reason why you should be choosing this platform. And every individual on this platform is very amazing to work with. I have always had individuals tell me that once they give me their project, I come back with the finished product, even if they haven't told me what it is that they want to produce from the first project or the ongoing project. I still know, because of the connection that I have with God, of what it is that they want to produce, what God wants them to produce in the earth realm. So have a blessed day. Remember, you'll be able to get in touch with us, 479-259-2189. Thank you.